Today's my first day ever going to a loctician. I'm so excited. Let's look at what my hair looks like right now, and I'm gonna show you the process. I'm gonna show you what the hair looks like afterward. We're gonna compare both. Take my hair down. Bro, I'm just so excited to get all this maintained. It's been so long. It's crazy how in the 8 years of me having locks, I've never been to a loctician. I've just done it all myself. So it's gonna be cool to see what my experience is. First off, can we just appreciate how long my hair is actually getting? With my hair being so long, I'm super excited about the hairstyle that I'm gonna be doing today. I am a little bit nervous, and here's why. The very first time I wanted to get my hair twisted, they refused to retwist my hair because of my skin color. Wow, that was unfortunate. And you guys know how it went when I went to, I don't even know if we can call them a loctician. It was just bad. But all this is about to get maintained, guys. I'm super excited. Let me show you guys what my hair looks like up close. It's just a lot of loose hair. So I could obviously go in and twist all this myself and like obviously wash it myself. It would just take a long time considering I have so many locks. But since a lot of my hair down by the root is out of the lock, I wanted to go to a loctician so that they can pull it all together and give me like a strong base so that I can start doing my own maintenance again. But it's 10:42 right now and my appointment is at 11, so I gotta go. Let me get your initial reaction. Are you ready for me? It's okay, it's all good. Are you ready to see my hair transformed?
Yes.
What do you
I don't know
expect?
that it's going to be any different than when we would do it, but I would hope that it's different than when we would do it because you're paying for it.
Oh, it's gonna look nice.
Yeah, no, I hope it's like a big difference from whenever we do it ourselves. I'm excited.
What about you, my young man?
Wait, do you know what hairstyle you're getting?
I'm gonna surprise you when I give it.
Is it something I would like, or is it like you're gonna get like a
something crazy.
braid your dreads into like a faux hawk or something?
No, it's nothing crazy.
Okay. What do you think about Papa's hair, Algernon?
He's like, I'm shy. Are you ready for me to get my hair done?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Papa's gonna get his hair done.
Hair done.
Wow.
Okay, bye.
Say, be cute.
Cute.
Guys, I really don't know what to expect, but I'm ready. Got some peach rings for the ride. It's only 5 minutes away. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but I am mic'd up, and it's just so I can get the entire experience. But I just pulled up, so let's go. Hi. Good, how are you?
Hi.
Okay. Cool if I just set my camera down, like over here?
Yep, wherever you want is fine.
Or actually, I'll just go ahead and hold it. I actually had a friend. I found out yesterday that a friend came to you for his wedding.
Oh, yeah, I remember. TikTok or YouTube?
I just started TikTok, but I've been doing YouTube for about 7 years.
Is it like a lot?
Like doing content? Yeah. It's a lot. So I think we're starting out with an apple cider vinegar rinse. Really nice, by the way. How long have you been doing locks for?
Altogether 10 years.
Yeah, I literally live 5 minutes away. I'm like, I don't know how I've never seen this.
Probably because my sign fell.
Oh. Yeah, so far so good. Like, now that I'm here, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna have to start coming at least like once every 2 to 3 months, like for sure. This is already like a really solid experience.
Did it take you a long time to lock up completely?
Yeah, it actually did. I would say like fully locked up all the way is probably like a year.
It took my son about the same amount of time.
So like a 3C haircut. Guys, I'm done. I just have like this oil dripping down my head. Guys, this looks clean. I'm excited to see what the rest looks like. Like, I really haven't got a good look at it. But I'm going to show you guys better shots of how this looks. But man, I'm super excited. Man, this is how I've always wanted my locks, man. I've been wanting barrel twists for an extreme long amount of time. Yo, I'm just excited to see what it looks like. I need to get a fade, so you know what time it is. Hey, really quick, if you want to be added to an exclusive group and have access to me directly to help your lock journey, then click the link below to join the greatlocks.com newsletter. You will also get 10% off every time you shop at greatlocks.com as long as you're subscribed, and you'll be notified when products are back in stock. You will also get first access to discounts as much as 75% off. So click the link below to join the newsletter. Now let's get back to the video. All right, I'm back home and I'm about to find out if Candace likes my hair. I'm not even sure if I like it. I haven't seen it yet, but I already know it looks pretty cool. So I'm really excited to see what my hair looks like, man. But let's go show Candace. You like my hair? Do you like my hair? What do you think?
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Wow.
Looks cool, huh?
Let me see.
I haven't even seen it. I haven't even seen it yet.
Whoa, that's cool.
Clean, huh?
Yeah. Turn all the way around.
That's good, yeah.
How'd they do that?
This is how I've always just wanted my hair, but I've never been able to do it.
Go down.
She did it really, like
Your
she.
shirt's really wet
Yeah, I know.
and dirty.
She did it so easily. Like, she did this hairstyle maybe in like 15 minutes.
That's really cool.
So my shirt's wet?
Yeah, you have like a wet stain right here. Oh, are you mic'd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
you have, like, a
yeah,
wet
it's just
stain.
from...
You have to wash it.
Hey, don't do that.
That looks really good.
Yeah?
I'm impressed.
Me too. I'm excited. Yeah, like, did everything. Does it look cool back there?
Yeah, it looks really cool.
I just need to do a lineup. Ooh, looks cool. Let me grab a mirror. Dang, yeah, it looks really cool. I like how thick they are.
Yeah.
Nice. I feel like Allen Iverson.
Oops.
What happened?
I touched the screen.
Cool.
That's cool.
That's cool, Papa.
That's cool, Papa.
Cool. I'm with it. I feel like I can drop 50.
$50?
Let me see if I have a do-rag, because I'm gonna wear a do-rag
Drop
tonight to keep
$50?
it cool. $50? Oh. Nah. Oh, the cost on this was $2. Not bad. So guys, I got the Scully on. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Did you just show them really quick a nice 360 if you stand right here?
Stand right here.
Mm-hmm. Like no hair sticking out or anything, huh?
Mm-mm.
It's like when I do it or something, like just like a hair will be sticking out.
What now, Mom?
Let me get enough footage so I have a lot to use.
Turn around like all the way in the back. Yep. Now look up. Look down.
I need to watch my do-rag.
Look
Yeah.
out. Look out.
Hey, I got the Scully on. Let's go. First, I'm gonna do-rag on it. Go, guys. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? All right, guys. It is 4 days after the transformation, after the haircut and everything. I just woke up from a cool nap. It was like, it was a pretty long nap. And this is what my hair looks like 4 days later. Anytime I do a transformation, I like to show you guys a few days later to show you what the hair is still looking like. So let's get into it. I still got the pink Scully on. This is like literally the only one I got. I think what I want to do, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna probably order like a a ski mask. I know people call, what do they call them? Shiesty masks? I don't know why it's called that, but I'll probably get one so that when I do hairstyles, I wear that instead, just to stay with the times. I seen someone wearing a shiesty mask in their student picture. I'm like, what? Alright guys, I'm not sure if my hairline's gonna look alright. I didn't brush it or anything, so let's just check it. Let's just take a look, man. Alright, ready? Here we go. It's like a wave reveal. Come on, hairline, be right. Okay, the hairline's not too bad. Yo, look, it just looks still so clean, y'all. Look at that. I really like the way she did my hair. We did a full detox. And man, my hair is clean. And there are a few things that I want to talk to you guys about like the pros and cons. So stick around for that. But look at that, guys. Looks really good, right? I'm really stoked on it. I don't want to keep these in too long. I think I'm gonna keep them in for another week. I'm going to an NBA game at the end of this week, so I want to, keep it until then, and hopefully I can get some content at this NBA game. I'm gonna try to talk to some players, so that's what I'm hoping for. Everyone believe with me that I'm gonna be talking to some players. But guys, look at that. Now the pros, obviously, like, you don't have to do your hair yourself. That was the biggest pro, and it was extremely comforting and relaxing. Like the hair washing process, I've never gotten my hair washed like that before, never. So that was one major thing, is that I didn't have to do my hair myself. The hair turned out great, and I also learned kind of how to do it better. I was watching the clips as she's doing it. I'd film and then look at the video, and I'm like, oh, that's how you do it a little bit better, and so that it stays tighter. So now I'm gonna try it myself and then kind of do a comparison video on how a loctician did it versus me, and I'm really gonna do 100% on this. Another pro was that she was extremely nice, and she didn't like pressure me to have a conversation. She didn't like spark up a conversation just to have one. If I wasn't talking, she wasn't talking, which was really nice. And I was a little bit afraid of that, because when I got in, she had another client in there and she was just talking the whole time with him. And I'm like, I really hope she's not gonna make me talk the whole time, just because like I'm very introverted. A lot of people think that I'm not. Like when I see some of you guys out in public and you're like, yo, Gunther, they're great or something like that, I'm like I just like wave or do whatever, just because that's not me out in public. I make these videos because it's tough for me to act in public. I'm getting better at it, but that's one of the reasons why I make videos versus like interactions with people. I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, it's 100% true. Oh, another pro is that this hairstyle looks like it's extremely tight, right? And when she was doing it, I'm like, I don't even know if she's doing it tight enough. But that's what I really liked about it. I didn't even have to tell her, don't do it too tight. She just already knew, like, she's preserving my hair and taking care of it, and she didn't do it too tight. So I'm super excited about that. And like overall, just felt really comfortable the entire time. Like I felt comfortable filming, which is really nice. I made sure I could film before I went. That's one thing you have to make sure you do before going anywhere and filming. Always make sure that you can film so it's not a problem and make it awkward when you get there. Other than that, that's pretty much all the pros. Now let's get into the cons, which is very slim. The detox lasted the longest. So like I was sitting there for a long time, and I was trying to like, work on stuff while I'm there, like on my phone, and kind of like looking at footage as well. And like my hands were just getting tired because I had to hold my hands above my head. That was like a small con, but that was part of it. Another con was some of the products she used didn't smell good. Like I just don't like the smell of them. And of course, it's not 100% about the smell. But for example, the hair oil that she used, it didn't smell good, but I know it's gonna benefit my scalp and my hair. Literally, the oil was like literally dropping out of my hair for about 30 minutes after the appointment. Like it was literally just keep dripping on down my forehead, which isn't a big deal, but those are like two cons. My initial thought was to go in and actually have her use products that I prefer, which I'm pretty sure they'd be okay with as well. But that's one thing you have to ask beforehand as well, which I might do that next time, have her use products that I prefer. But you see how small the cons list is and how it's not really that serious. But you guys, that is my hair. I'm super stoked on it, and I'm just really excited about how it looks. And I was really impressed, and I'm really excited to try different hairstyles when going, but I also want to try this on my own self, which I've tried before, and I kind of accomplished it, but I really want to master it. But I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'm going to show you how I taper fade my own hair and make sure that I'm not cutting any of my dreadlocks, and to give me a nice crisp lineup, even though I was born with this like crooked hairline right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, I'll brush that down and just like magic. I think one goal you can set for yourself this year is learn how to cut your own hair. I'm telling you, cutting your own hair saves you so much time because you don't have to drive to a barbershop. You don't have to sit and wait in line, and you don't have to get your hair cut by them, and you don't have to drive all the way back home. And say they mess up, then it's like, what are you gonna do about it? And all of that accumulates to about 3 to 4 hours realistically. But there's sometimes I'll literally cut my hair in about 5 to 10 minutes. Obviously I do have not too much hair to cut, and like my hair is kind of just laid down weird right there, but I think it's really smart to learn how to cut your own hair. Number one, it's safe in the world that we're in today. And number two, it just saves you so much time. Also, I mean, it saves you money too if you worry about your money. Because if you're going to get like a really nice haircut, it's going to cost you around $30 to $45. And then plus if you tip them, which you should tip your barber if you're going. But I'm going to show you how to cut your hair and to overcome you thinking that you're going to mess it up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.